show you how to make a survival kit. Being prepared means being equipped with the proper supplies you may need in an event of an emergency or disaster. Keep your supplies in an easy-to-carry emergency preparedness kit that you can use at home or take with you in case you must evacuate. You can also use durable plastic bin for more supplies or if you are stuck on flood. Organize and store a first aid kit. A first aid kit will prevent small injuries from becoming infected or leading to major medical complications. Things that should go in the first aid kit include iodine, gauze pads, medical tape, alcohol wipes, antibiotic ointment, aspirin, and scissors. Stock up on water. Consider the number of people that you have in your household and you should be able to pack at least 1 gallon per person. Store up non-perishable food like canned food, crackers, whole grain cereals, and instant noodles. Stock up on flashlights, radio, extra batteries, some tools like pliers, scissors, and grips. Cell phone and charger if you have a fully charged power bank. Medication for 1 week, and cash, important documents, and IDs. So our sanitation and personal hygiene items like toothbrush, toothpaste, comb, alcohol, deodorant, and soap. Extra clothing, jacket, towel, blanket, hat, and socks. Carry a match, a whistle, notebook, and a pen. That's all, and if you found this informative, please click the thumbs up icon below. Thank you so much for watching.